In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order easy breakfast Walmart. If you want a quick, reliable way to get breakfast items without wandering the aisles, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can place your order with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to walmart.com. Make sure you're on the main homepage so the navigation is easy to follow. If the site looks a little different, don't worry. Retail sites update their layout from time to time, but the links you need are the same. Next, click on Better Goods. This is Walmart's curated section highlighting modern pantry staples and everyday favorites, which makes it a great place to find quick breakfast options. You'll usually see it in the top navigation or featured on the homepage. If it doesn't appear right away, check the shop or departments menu to locate Better Goods. Once you're in the Better Goods section, look for a category or banner called Easy Morning Fuel. This collection is designed specifically for simple breakfast choices. Think grab-and-go snacks, bars, yogurts, and other morning-friendly items. It's a convenient shortcut to skip the browsing and go straight to breakfast, picks that fit a busy schedule. When you see Easy Morning Fuel, click View All. This expands the full selection so you can compare items side by side. Viewing everything in one list makes it easier to check prices, serving sizes, and ratings at a glance. Now find the easy breakfast that you like. Take a moment to read the product titles and descriptions so you get exactly what you want. You can also glance at the star ratings and reviews for quick quality checks. If you have dietary preferences, use the filters or search within the page to narrow down your options. When you've made your choice, click Add. If the product offers size or flavor options, confirm the one you want before adding. You can adjust the quantity here if you're stocking up. Just set the number that fits your plan for the week, then click on your cart. This is your chance to review everything, confirm quantities, and remove anything you don't need. Double check availability and any notes about pickup or delivery windows that might affect timing. Finally, click on Checkout. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your order. Review your totals and make sure everything looks correct before you place it. That's it. Your easy breakfast is on the way.